Welcome to the TSC classroom. I am Prathakata Banerjee. I will teach you the shortcut method of trigonometry of the section multiple angle. These types of questions will come to your examination, JEE, Advanced Main or NDA, SET, GATE, etc. This is the question of multiple angle. Find the value of cos pi by 7, cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7. Before applying the shortcut method, we have to know its conventional method. What is the conventional method? The conventional method is let pi by 7 equals to theta, then pi equals to 7 theta. Putting the values of pi by 7, we have cos theta, cos twice theta, cos 4 theta. Multiplying numerator and denominator by 2 sin theta, we have 1 by 2 sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta. Now, we know 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Multiplying again by 2, we have 1 by 2 square sin theta into 2 sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta. Multiplying again by 2, we have 1 by 8 sin theta into 2 sin 4 theta, that is 2 sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta is equal to sin 4 theta. Therefore, 2 sin 4 theta, cos 4 theta is equal to sin 8 theta. Now, we can write sin 8 theta equals to sin 7 theta plus theta. Putting the value of 7 theta, pi, we have sin pi plus theta by 8 sin theta. We know sin 290 plus theta, sin 290 plus theta, theta lies in the third quadrant, then it will be negative, minus sin theta by 8 sin theta. Then the answer is minus 1 by 8. This is the conventional method which may take a long time to solve such questions. But if you wish to solve all the questions or almost the questions, you have to apply the shortest method or shortcut method to solve this kind of problems. What is the shortcut method? We come to its shortcut method of multiple angle. Then I will see you the shortcut method. We have to remember the shortcut method. SM, shortcut method. What is the shortcut method? The value of cos A, cos 2A, cos 2 square A, cos 2 to the power n minus 1A is equal to 1 by 2 to the power n sin A into sin 2 to the power n A. I repeat this shortcut again. The value of cos A, cos 2A, cos 2 square A, cos 2 to the power n minus 1A is equal to sin 2 to the power na by 2 to the power n into sin A. Here we apply the shortcut method to the given problem. Here let pi by 7 equals to A, then pi equals to 7A. Putting this value, we have cos A, cos twice A, cos 2 square A, that is 4A. Here the number of elements are 3. Then the answer will be sin 2 cube A by 2 cube sin A is equal to sin 8A by 8 sin A is equal to sin 7a plus a by 8 sin a is equal to sin 5 plus a by 8 sin a is equal to minus sin a by 8 sin a. Then the answer will come minus 1 by 8. Then now we will show the semi-shortcut method of this process. Very interesting process is there. Semi-shortcut method by which you can solve easily by fraction of seconds. What is the method of semi-shortcut method? Look at the problem. Here, the number of elements is 3. Then the answer will be plus minus 2 to the power 3 is equal to plus or minus 1 by 8. If there are 4 options, including 1 by 8 and excluding minus 1 by 8, then the answer will be 1 by 8. Then fraction of second. In fraction of second, you can solve easily. You can calculate easily this for such type of questions. But now these questions, the answer of these questions will be plus minus 1 by 2 to the power n. You will calculate easily. Then what will be the answer? Plus or minus? If there is sin 5 plus a, then minus sin a, then the answer will be minus 1 by 2 to the power n. If there is sin 2 pi plus a by 2 to the power n sin a, then the answer will be sin a by 2 to the power n sin a. Then 1 by 2 to the power n. In this way, you can calculate your answer in fraction of second. This was today's shortcut. Well, I will return you with the various shortcut method of calculus, trigonometry or coordinate geometry, and also the service types exam, SSC, PSC, Rail, Bank, etc. Please like and share if you wish. Thank you.